welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, don't forget to subscribe. Today's unit is from Eayon hair, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick unboxing and then we're gonna get right into the video. So today's headband unit is 20 inches and this is a body wave unit. As you guys can see, this one is highlighted, so I'm super excited to be trying this out. There is a Velcro section for you to snap the headband in place. I love the extra Velcro that they added on there as well, so it won't be flapping off in the back. There are 4 combs in total, and then there are a pair of drawstrings. Okay, so this is what my base looks like. This is how I have my hair when I'm wearing my headband units. I'm using my got2b glue hairspray only because I forgot my gel. So we're going to use that to mold our baby hairs. But these braids are old. I've had these in since August. But when I first did them, I had about 8 in total. You guys can't really tell because, like I said, it's a mess over there. It's dirt buildup and some more stuff. But I just keep them in cornrows. It just goes straight back, and that's it. It's really nothing to it. Now we're gonna go ahead and plop this bad baby on. I don't put the combs in at first because I want to see the type of security I have while just securing the elastic. I say, is it elastic band? Yeah, elastic band, the Velcro on the back. So I'm just gonna pin up my hair before securing it in the back. I feel like this just eliminates the struggle of taking the hair out of the Velcro if you do get some in there. So just pin it up and secure it, and you'll be on your way. Okay, so now that the unit is fully secure, I'm going to take a wide tooth comb and detangle the hair. And baby, when I'm telling you it's just gliding through, it is gliding through. And look at those highlights. They are here, okay? They're like, hey, what's up? Hello? Like, do you see me? Yes, I see you. You see me? Look at that. That is so beautiful, y'all. Y'all cannot tell me it's not. Look at the body, okay? Come through. Come through. Shake her on up. Let me stop. But anyway, y'all, if you guys are scared of color, I would definitely recommend this to you. It's not doing too much at all. It's very, very subtle, but yet it's giving you a little hint of something, something. So I definitely would recommend it for you guys that are wanting to try color but are scared, okay? This will definitely get you out your comfort zone a little bit. I am showing you guys some of the all the headbands that came inside the packaging. I love the thickness of the headbands as well because it does cover the black headband that originally comes with this unit, so you don't have to worry about that showing. Now, if you are running late, you can run right out the door just like this and you'll still look bomb. You still look like you took a long time of your hair and you did not. That's what I love about these units, because literally a throw one and go unit. But I have a little time today, so I'm going to be a little bit extra. My middle name is Extra, if y'all didn't know. But anyway, I did spray my unit with some heat protecting spray, and let me just point out how flat this unit is. The way they constructed it, they're doing a dang thing, because it's nice and flat and it's not bulky. I do not like no bulky units at all. Okay, so I'm just gonna put some bombshell curls in. I don't know if you call it that, or body waves, whatever you want to call it. I'm just going to put some in there and just make it pop a little bit. Just bring the curls back to life. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a piece, and I'm going to frame the curl towards my face. Once I grab the piece, I'm going to take my curling wand and wrap the hair underneath the wand. You can do it as tight as you want, as loose as you want. It pretty much depends on the barrel size as well. But this certain set here is interchangeable. But yeah. So I hold it for about 30 seconds. And once 30 seconds is up, I am going to grab my Sebastian Shaper Plus spray. I do love using hairspray to secure my curls. Um, so I'm just going to spray a little bit because you don't want them hard and crunchy. And then we're going to hold it for 5 seconds. And then we're going to drop it. And towards the end of the curl, I'm just going to hold it and grab my rat tail comb, my fine tooth comb, get a fine tooth comb, and comb straight through it. And as you guys can see, it's just beautiful. It just creates the beautifulest curl ever. Okay, so I'm just going to speed up this portion because it's literally the same thing as I just walked you guys through. So we're just going to speed her up. I'm just going to give you guys my overall view. And let me tell you, I'm completely obsessed. I love this unit. Like I said, if you guys are scared of color, I definitely would recommend this unit to you because it's doing something, but it's not doing too much. I definitely will also throw this in my fall wig category. Like, I feel like it's definitely giving me fall vibes, fall ready. It's like easing me into fall, if that makes sense. I didn't have any problems with this unit doing anything drastic, y'all. It was the normal amount of shedding and minimum tangles. I think I only got 1 or 2 tangles on the right side when I first detangled it. Like I said, the construction of the unit is amazing. It's nice and flat and sleek, and it's not bulky. I just love how they took their time with it. I love how they make the highlights look very, very natural, and it's definitely something I would wear every day. You can also wear this unit every day because it's not doing too much. Now, you won't wear like pink and green wigs every day, but something subtle like this with just natural highlights, it just makes it look very, very natural. And I love the consistency of the highlights as well because it's not doing too much. It's not like one big patch over here. It's just all flowing nice, and it's just bomb. So all the information will be in the description section below. I hope you guys enjoyed, and until later, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.